Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? It is Saturday. I have a couple packages to open up. Been trying to do some research on why iPhones buzz in camera mode. Don't know if it's actually doing it right now or if the camera picks that up. But when you hold it up to your ear, you hear this buzzing noise, and it's all over the internet. Don't know if anybody's really got a fix yet. Anyway, side story. Let me open up these packages real quick. Let's start with this one. This one came last night. This is a squishy one. I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. I know why it's squishy now. Actually, these are very cool. Replacement ear pads for my actual headphone set at work. Apparently this is a direct replacement for the type of headphone, the over-the-ear style. Looks like it comes with two microphone pads. That's cool. Almost want to go to work and figure it out, but no, I think I'll wait. Yeah, all right. Glad that one came in. Let's see what this one is. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Something with a black handle. It says Mowat, black handle. What the hell does that mean? Oh, cool. This is actually for the barbecue. Ended up getting new, I don't know if that's actually pumice or not, but the stones for the barbecue, so I can clean my grill. Very cool. All right, glad that came in too. I have other stuff coming, possibly this morning, and if and when it does come, I'll jump on and do another video for you guys. All right, till the next time, peace out. Have a great day, unless of course you've made other plans.